Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Genus here, and I'm going to show you how to draw Sans from Undertale in honor of Halloween. So first, I usually start off with some sort of a circle, He has a nice round head. And then I usually do this like sort of cross section, sort of to mark where his eyes are going to be, and he's gonna, yeah. And then let me just look, and then you got this thing. Okay, you got this, his smile, which it's a bit of it takes some time to get right, and then you want to be careful with your sketch now. Then I mark this his jaw thing, and then his temple right there. There's my dog. And then you get frickin' pranked.